Alright guys, this is the hiking apparel for today. Just chilling out here Friday afternoon, enjoying the nature vibes, just getting out and about. It's so crazy that this is in my hometown. Like, check this out. It's just these crazy mountains. This little mountain range is literally in my backyard. I don't really think I take it for granted, but it just blows my mind. It's super close, probably like a 10-minute drive. But yeah, that's what I got on. I got the shorts on, got the tank top on. Feeling good. Again, it's not getting in the way. Loving it, man. Just gonna chill the rest of the day, enjoy this little nature walk / hike. Yeah, man. Good Friday. A little bit tired though from the 3 hours of sleep I got last night and then sending it for a 5 a.m. workout, but feeling good overall. Not too shabby. You just gotta have a little bit of heart to get you through. Oh, film. Alright guys, good morning. It's currently right around 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning to be exact. Your boy got some good, much needed sleep. My recovery on my Whoop, to give you an idea of yesterday, the 5:30 a.m. bodybuilding session. Recovery at 13%, sleep. Alright guys, so as I was saying, your boy got some good sleep last night, much needed. Right now, I decided that I'm gonna do outside cardio, back on my normal routine today. So we're gonna hit cardio and then sip on pump product and then hit a little snatch session followed by just like a Metcon CrossFit style workout. And I'm testing out the pants again, so check it out. Testing these out, I'm gonna run in them, which is a big, like, huge surprise because I normally never run or honestly really work out that much in joggers unless it's super cold out. But today is perfect because it is a little nippy and a little like chilly wind going on right now, so it's gonna be perfect to test out the pants. Also because running is one of those things that I don't like running in short or pants. Why I don't like running in pants is because they kind of get caught on you. You feel very limited and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a run in these. I'm gonna test them out, see how they feel, and also how they hold up in terms of like keeping me warm. So it should be good, man. I did really want to run outside, but it's super sunny out. It's just a little bit cold, too cold for my liking. But hey, we got a sweater on. I got the virus tank underneath, and we got the pants on. So we're gonna test these out, man. Let's go for a nice little morning run, Saturday morning run through the neighborhoods, get the fall vibes going, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, run done, feeling good. I honestly didn't take very long to just get warm. I feel like a lot of that had to do with the pants being nice and tight, compressed. They moved really well. Not once did I feel them kind of sticking to me, even though I was like sweating. And they didn't really get in the way of like my knees or my running, guys. So that's a huge pro. Pumped on that, guys. So you guys seen it here so far. Bodybuilding, just lounging around, working out. Running, which is kind of like something that a lot of pants and, you know, sweatpants, active, you know, joggers, pants, things like that don't really pass. And these have passed so far. I'm super impressed by them, guys. Let's go ahead and get this workout in.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can do my own thing. I can do my losing track of time, losing track of myself. I can make promises to get into your head. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. I just wanna see you on my, I just wanna see you. I can do my own thing. I can do my
Got it, man. These pants are sick though, honestly. Like, they're perfect for snatching. Sometimes you just need a, you know, you can hit it. You just need that little extra take a little break, visualize crispy, smooth form, and then hit it. This might be my new favorite snatching outfit. Like these pants and this tank. Like, it might be my favorite go-to snatch outfit, so you guys better be ready. Get your mind right, man. Let's go.
rounds. It was basically 5 rounds of 30 double unders, 10 overhead squats at 115 into 10 toes to bar, and then rest 1 minute. It's kind of like an IWT style workout. Get your heart rate through the roof with those double unders. Overhead squats are just tough and taxes your core, everything. Your shoulders are on fire. And then the toes to bar kind of just keep that heart rate up, and then you got that break. And then right as you're good, you get back into it. So it's a really fun one and really put these shorts to the test in terms of like the jumping, the overhead squat mobility, and then the toes to bar, like moving the toes from, you know, the parallel all the way up to the bar, which a lot of pants do get in the way of. And honestly, awesome. They did an awesome job, guys. Like, not once have they gotten in the way. They've been super comfortable. They're not like itchy and sticky. They're just great pants, and I am super pumped to have like a pair of joggers now that I know that I can count on and rely on, that are gonna help me like with performance, that look sick and that are just super comfortable. But anyways, that was the Metcon. See you guys next clip. Alright guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, this part 2 of the Virus International haul and test. Honestly guys, these clothes are amazing. They're super comfortable and they're functional, which is what I love about them, guys. I would not be recommending you guys these clothes or making videos on them if I didn't like them or want to wear them myself. So you guys rest assured, guys, it's a good investment. Gym clothes are an investment. I truly believe that, because you're going to be wearing them throughout the year. They're going to last you a very long time. You're going to be comfortable. You're going to look great, feel great, and perform great, guys. If you guys are wondering why I'm editing in my car and I'm in, you know, this car here, actually been here for the past 8 days. So if you guys want to know why, the next video is going to have just a lot of just more in-depth raw combos with you guys and probably a little workout. So yeah, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you guys can check that video out, guys. That's going to be coming up later this week, man. Anyways, thank you guys so much for following along the journey and just being with me, you know, on this YouTube journey, showing you guys my fitness journey, everything I eat, train, and everything, guys. So thankful for you guys. The Breakfast Club, baby, we're growing strong. Go over to Instagram, follow me there, shots_G. Let me know you guys came from here. As always, Breakfast Club CTG, we out this B.